Did you ever get excited about your birthday as a kid? For me, it was my second favorite day of the year, next to Christmas. And as I get older, I find that giving a gift to others is just as fun, if not more enjoyable. But in order to participate in that giving, I need to remember the dates of those individuals' birthdays. And that's where these inserts are meant to come in handy. Hey everyone, today I'm going to be giving away these two different birthday printables that I made for you, showing two different ways to use these printables. And I'm going to be making a birthday card because Trish Fish 5 asked to see a card making video. These birthday inserts are going under my records tab in my Happy Notes home management notebook. You can print these onto white cardstock or printer paper, cut them out, and punch holes in the side, or print directly onto Happy Planner inserts. First, I printed onto some cardstock to act as a guide, then used washi tape to attach the insert. I ran it through the printer, removed the tape, and voila! Keep in mind that these are sized for the classic sized Happy Planner, and you need to select actual size when printing. Now I'm going to show you two ideas for filling these out. But first, let's discuss how these inserts could be used with your planner. You may want to reference these inserts when you fill out your scheduled items. If you fill out your monthly, you could reference these sheets at the beginning of the month, write the birthday on the appropriate day, but also plan out any birthday prep tasks that you may have during this time. For example, what day do you plan to make or buy the birthday card? What day will you make or buy the gift? What day do you need to send the gift or hand deliver it to that person? Will you need to attend a birthday party for that person? And what will you need to do to prepare for that party? Next to each month, there are 6 spaces listed. So the first idea is to just use one space per individual's birthday. If you have tiny writing, you could possibly write 12 different birthdays down per month. But what about gifts? It can be difficult to come up with a gift idea last minute, so recently I have been writing gift ideas down as I think of them throughout the year. And personally, this is how I will be using this insert. Underneath each name and birthday, I'm going to write down my gift ideas for that person. You could circle or cross the gift out if you decide to give them that gift that year. If you want to use these inserts year after year, however, you may want to use sticky notes to track your gift ideas. Here I've written 2019 on the sticky note to indicate that these are my gift ideas for the year of 2019. And then at the end of the year, you just replace it with a fresh sticky note. Now on to the birthday card idea. And this card is going to be for a man instead of a woman because I feel like it's a lot more difficult to make a masculine card versus a feminine card just because of the products that are available out on the market today. They often have a lot of flowers and bows and girly items. So I wanted to give you an idea for making a birthday card for a man. I am using this Sizzix to cut out these circular shapes. I'm focusing on using this wood pattern as well as geometric shapes to make this card a little bit more masculine. When I'm making a card or decorating my planner, I typically gather any paper and stickers and other supplies that are similar in both color and in style. When I start a project, I don't really know what it will look like in the end, but I have a general idea of the style that I'm going for based upon the paper and the different supplies that I picked out. I hope this video gives you tools to help celebrate your loved ones on their birthdays. See you next Saturday. Bye!